DooBa's 11th birthday. You ready for some breakfast? We're gonna have some steak and eggs. This one's for me. This one's for DooBa. Okay, so we got the cool stuff. I'll show you that later. That's for his gifts. Every year, I put this away and I bring it back every year. I've had it for a few years now. They give us all kinds of happy birthday wishes on DooBa. Amen. Always gotta thank God. So check this out. DooBa loves basketball. If you haven't seen this video, man, you gotta check it out. Yeah, a couple years ago, DooBa's good at basketball. So good that we had to put our own hoop up. Come on, DooBa. That's for you. Go check that video out. DooBa, you ready to eat? Steak and eggs all chopped up for my DooBa, huh? If you're wondering what's on TV, I'll be with the look. Go check out Dogstar DooBa YouTube. Good boy. He's almost done. Moving on to the next part of the day. Ready to go run in the park? Birthday boy. We went to Wagon Tails, and then there's another park here he likes. Stop at one more park on DooBa. Join us for the gift unwrapping. Happy birthday, DooBa. Got some more presents. Good boy. The last one, DooBa. So we got a bunch going on here. DooBa, happy birthday. Oh, you ate all the steak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my DooBa. Happy birthday to you. DooBa, make a wish. Okay, we're ready? Good boy, happy birthday.